do you realize that the air that we are breathing in is the same air that goes into our air conditioner? About every 6 months, we will clean our air conditioner, right? And when we take out the filter, it is usually black, filled with thick layer of dust. Why don't we need to clean our lungs? Because our body is really intelligent and we have an immune system to protect us. Our nose filters out larger dust particles in the air. Now, the smaller dust particles will go past our nose and reach the windpipe and the air tubes, also known as bronchi. Now, the airways in the lungs are lined by cells, which produces mucus that catches most of the dust particles. Tiny hairs called cilia, covering the walls of the air tubes, then move the mucus upwards into our throat, and that is where it's either coughed out, spat out, or swallowed. Now, when the smaller dust particles reaches our air sacs, the lower part of the airways, where there are no cilia, what happens? This is when a special type of immune cells called macrophages save the day. Now, this is a special type of macrophage. It has long claws where it will swallow the dust particles. And that is how it keeps our lungs clean and healthy. The macrophages filled with dust particles travel upwards where the cilia are. And that's where the cilia pushes the macrophages even higher upwards towards the throat, where they are being spat out, coughed out, or swallowed. So friends, today you know that macrophages work really hard for us to keep our lungs clean and healthy. Question for you, have you done anything to nourish your macrophages? If you want to find out more about how we can nourish these macrophages that are so hardworking keeping our lungs clean and healthy, please reach out to us. Click on the link above or below to contact us.